Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here at Jayco HQ and I'm here to run you through the features of your Jayco RV. Behind me here we have the Jayco Journey 1961-3 Outback. Let's go have a look. A fridge is an important part of any caravanning journey, and here we have the two-door Thetford fridge freezer. This two-door Thetford fridge is a three-way fridge, so it runs on gas, 240 volt and 12 volt from your tow vehicle. Now it's an AES fridge. What does that mean to you? It is a fridge that automatically selects its power source. So whether you've got gas available or 240 volt available, or if you're connected to your car, it will automatically select those modes. Now to turn the fridge on the left-hand side, hit the on button. The control panel will light up. Now it is a touchscreen control panel. On the left-hand side of the control panel, select the little dial and you can choose whether you want automatic, gas, 240 volt or 12 volt. You've also got in the middle here a bar graph and you can select how cold you want the fridge. If you put it all the way up to the top, it will then go into defrost mode. So our recommendation is you set the temperature, you set it to automatic mode and you walk away and your fridge will do the rest. Thanks for tuning in, and for more tips and guides, please visit jayco.com.au and we'll see you next time.